Hello and welcome. If you want to add more YouTube accounts to your ScreenPal, here is what you should do. Okay, I got a message on one of my videos about this that was long time ago, but I forgot to do this. Sorry to the guy that contacted me. I was really busy and I was carried away. So to do this, what you have to do is to make sure that you open one of your videos. So when you get to this point, go click on upload to YouTube. Click on that. Up here, go click on account. Okay, you can see that I have 2 accounts already here. To add more, just click on that add account and that will give you this little pop-up. Just go click on launch web browser. So right here, what you have to do is to go select the Google account that is attached to your YouTube channel. Okay, just click on that, this one. So right here, I will select the account that I would like to add to ScreenPal. This information will come up. Just go click on allow and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and God bless you.